Listen up, Morty. I'm gonna give it to you straight. Launching a product hunt. It should be a piece of cake. As an inventor every day, it's just so easy to show off my creations and make the world queasy. Now, I know for some, it can be quite frightening. Just thinking about it can be quite enlightening. But for me, it's just another day at the office. Product hunt's a small feat. Nothing make me cautious, so don't let fear get in your way. Product hunt could be the start. Yes, I must say, show off your creations and let your light shine. It's your time to climb the dime. Product hunt, it's just a launch pad for your dreams, like a fresh start, or so it seems. You never know, we might find your product out there. So be bold and take the stairs. Trust in yourself and believe in what you do. Product hunt is where the magic can be made for you. So get out there and let your light shine. Product hunt is where it's at, it's quite divine. Listen up now, don't you be afraid. Show the world what you've made. Launching on Product Hunt is where legends sleep. So take that shot and make it yours to keep. Product Hunt, break a launch pad for your dreams. It's like a launch pad. Don't let fear make you miss the shot. Product Hunt is where it can start. Trust in yourself and don't be afraid. Product Hunt, it's where your dreams get made. So get out there and show them what you got. Product Hunt, time to climb that rooftop. Launching on Product Hunt, it can be such a rush. Go on and take that leap. Go on, go crush. Make your mark. Leave a legacy. Product Hunt is where it starts. It's so easily. Listen up now. And don't let fear control you. Product Hunt is where it's at. Show off your creations and let your light shine. Product Hunt, it's your time to climb and dine. So get out there and let your light shine. Product Hunt is where the world can be entwined. Don't let fear make you miss the shot. Product Hunt is where it all starts. It's your time to take a shot.